Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today in this 8th episode of our sketchbook series, we'll be doing a acrylic color semicircular background and a full page mandala on top of it. So before we dive into the video, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel and turn on bell notifications so you can get updates on all my latest videos. So let's start by drawing our background first, and then when it dries up we will add a mandala on top of it. For the background of our mandala today, I'll be using these 6 shades of pastel colors by Fevicryl brand. These are acrylic colors in pastel shades. The shades are really nice in here. So if you want to buy the exact same colors, the same sketchbooks and the products that I use, then all of the links are given in the description below. So let's start with our background. So for that we will isolate the page a little bit from the book so that the color won't go over the next pages. So we will keep our page on one side and the rest of the book on other side. And now you can keep a blank sheet in the background so that the color doesn't go over the table. For the background we are going to draw semicircles starting from this corner all the way till the last, and each of the circle will be 1 centimeter in the thickness. So you can mark 1 centimeter of distance like this first. We are going to draw the circles directly using our fine liners. Make sure you do not cross this dotted line. This will be the edge of our paper. You can use any colors to fill in that you like, but I would suggest you all to use light shades, and if you don't have, then you can make them lighter by adding white to it. And also, yes, you can use any shade that you like. If you want these exact same colors, the link is given in the description below. After your background is ready, you can redo the lines if the color goes over it. Now we are going to draw a grid for our mandala. So for it, we are going to place our protractor like this, the center at the place where we used our rounder. And then we are going to place 10-degree marks. For the patterns, we are going to leave the first circle empty and we will start with the second one. In this, we will start with the diamond patterns first. Like this. One of this pattern will take 3 lines of space. Inside we will add dot and line. For the next circle we are going to draw spirals. So the spiral will start here at the bottom and it will end again on the same line. So one spiral will be in 2 lines of space, and then we are going to add one more next to it. like this. We are going to add 2 spirals next to each other. So total both of these spirals will take 3 lines of space. For the bottom triangular space here, we will add lines. And these top small corners, we will darken them entirely. For mandalas with colorful backgrounds like this, it is necessary to draw very light patterns so that the background color also shows up well. So the details will be very minimum. In the next circle, we will add a pointed petal. For the details, we will add 2 semicircles inside, like this, and then we will darken it, and then in the portion below we will add some straight lines, and in the top portion we will fill it with some dots. For the next layer, we will add 2 closed spirals. In the bottom space, we will add a mesh design. And in the top there will be a same shape, a triangular shape like this, and then we will fill it up. So we will continue this pattern for the rest of the space. In the next circle, we will add a complete circle which will end in the center in a big spiral, and then a dark dot in the center. Just a very simple pattern. In the next circle, we are going to do alternate vertical and horizontal lines. So in one block, in one square, there will be vertical, and in the next there will be horizontal lines. For the horizontal lines, you can use a rounder also for easier and straight lines. Next, we will draw 1 centimeter semicircles using our black pen. So the top of the pen will touch the next circle. like this. For the details, we will add one more semicircle inside with free hand and fill it with circles. After adding circles, we will darken the small corners around them. Here is a close-up. Inside the semicircles, we will fill it up with dots. And in this space, we will draw upside down triangle. In these triangular spaces, we will add cross lines. One on top of the next, like this. In the next layer, we will add very thin and tall petals. Like this, just very simple patterns throughout the circle. For the next circle, we will add a small petal on each and every grid line. Now we will add spirals on both sides of these petals. For the petals, we will draw one more smaller one inside and darken it. We can also add a black dot inside these spirals. We will fill the next circle entirely in a mesh pattern. So for that, we will draw the circular lines using rounder and then straight lines with free hand. In the next circle, we will do dot shading. Darker portions at the bottom, and as we go above, it will keep getting lighter. The next circle we will fill with spirals. Now this time there are no grid lines around it, so we are going to fill it randomly in the entire space. And then finally in the last one we will add a few lines, one or two. Wait for some time for the ink of the fine liner to dry, and then you can erase the entire grid. So our mandala here is complete. So thank you everyone for watching till the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Also share the video with your friends and family, those who can benefit from the channel. So complete yours and post it on your Instagram, and do tag me so that I can check it out. So bye and see you all in the next video.